Hey guys, today I'll be showing you a video tutorial on how to use Control Panel on the iPad 2. This video tutorial today is brought to you by owmhost.com. That is owmhost.com. And what we do here at owmhost.com is we're a hosting service as well as a domain register. We offer really cheap starter plans to a dedicated IP plans. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is fantastic, as well as we have an RV website builder with over 900 templates. But today I'll be showing you how to use Control Panel on your iPad 2. It's a paid application, which is about $2.99 from the App Store. And what you gotta do, this is what you'll see when you first hold it up. Put it up. You enter your host, your username, password, and domain name, and then you press Add Control Panel Account. And this works on iPad 2 as well as iPhone. Let me put in my information real quick. As you can see here, I got all my stuff filled in besides the password. And you can notice that the host, it may look a little weird because what you have to do to determine the host, the best way, is to enter your domain name into your web browser and add port 2083 at the enter cpanel.com colon 2083, and you'll find that your host will change, and you'll get something like this. Just pops out a weird domain on top of your web browser, and then what you would put, you would take away all the HTTPS stuff and then the colon 2083, and then just put what's left. So on mine, that's what it would be, and then you put in your password, and then you click done, and it checks it real fast, and then there you go, logged in successfully right here. So you can see here, this is what it should look like. It'll show you your bandwidth as well as your disk usage, and not switch back and forth. But if you don't want it to switch back and forth, or you don't want to wait for it, you can just click on usage overview, and it gives you both of them right there. And right here you have a file viewer, and you can see all your files you have, but sadly you can't edit them in this program, but you can always do that on a computer. You can generate a backup with your email, so if your website, something happens, it backs it up. PHP My Admin right here, it directs you to the website, to all your PHP stuff. Right here you can add an email account. Say you wanted like to put, say you're selling something and you want to have an email address, so you could do like sales at your website.com or .net or whatever it is. Then enter a password, enter your quota, your megabytes, and then press add account. Right here you can list your email accounts, so you can see I don't have any. Here, set up email forwarding, so if you want to set up an email forwarding from your website to another email, then you can do that. It's like your personal email. And then set up subdomain, you can set up your subdomain, enter your username right here, blah 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 blah. Point directory to whatever you would like. List subdomains, you can see your subdomains right here. Mine's guess.123owm.net. The cool thing on here is if you're not ready to release your site in public and you just want to edit it around and play with it, you can park your domain. So you can type in your domain name, .com, whatever, and then press add, and it'll park it on their server. which is pretty cool. Add a database here. Enter your database name, press add. Add database user. You can add different users that you can grant them access to your website and control panel. List databases. It will just show you who has access. Set up email auto-respond. Say you're like selling something and you want them, or you want your customer to receive an email as soon as they purchase something. You can do that here. Add a record. You put the name, IP address, press add. Pretty simple stuff here. It's just basically type and click. Very easy. Oh, and you can have multiple different domain names set up on here too, which is nice. So you have other domains, and you go here, and then you can press add, and it'll show you which ones you have. You just press login to whatever you want to go to, and then this stuff: add, deny IP address, add FTP account. So if your website, you're moving it to a different host, then you can add your FTP account so it doesn't get lost and everything gets messed up. List FTP accounts, just shows you. Set up webmail on device, and just shows you how to do it. It will show you, say, go to settings, mail, contacts, calendar, and then press add account, and then you just follow the steps it tells you. And you can change your password for the cPanel on here too, which is pretty cool. Say like you got a bad business partner and you don't want him on your cPanel anymore, so you change your password, you're all good. And yeah, that's basically it. You see all your disk usage, your bandwidth, and yeah, it's a great app. I love it. And again, this video tutorial was brought to you by OWMhost.com. We offer very cheap plans, shared hosting plans, and you can try us for free, as well as we have a 30-day money-back guarantee satisfaction program. Thank you.